Hello and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care project video. Today we are going to be making a camping scene. So to get started with this project, you will want to print off the free template. I will put the link in the description and it's free to print it off. And then you'll want to grab your markers and get coloring. Now if you've noticed that your loved one prefers to use paint rather than markers, or if it's easier for them to hold a paintbrush than a marker, then go ahead and paint in the scene rather than using markers. Whatever works best for you and your loved one. Now once you're done coloring or painting in the scene, you can leave it as is. But I'm going to add a little detail to my picture. So I've got some little twigs here and a couple pieces of tissue paper. I've got yellow and red. And I'm going to use them to make a campfire. So first squish up a few of these pieces of tissue paper. And then grab some white glue and we'll get started. So I've put some white glue on top of the fire picture and then I'm going to put the tissue paper on top of the glue. You may need to do a few layers of glue. After I've put down the tissue paper, I'm going to put down these twigs and lay them on top of each other. And then once it's dry, there you go. A fun little camping scene. Hopefully it will remind your loved one of some memories they may have from camping when they were younger. They may have enjoyed camping with their family, or perhaps they're part of scouts. You never know what kind of memories will come up. Thank you for watching. If you liked this project, please go ahead and hit that like button, share it with people that you think would benefit from it, and also hit that subscribe button. I put out a new video every weekend. Okay, have a great day.